Hello everyone, welcome to another new lecture series of Datanalytics. In this lecture series, you will get to know about Python programming language. There are a bunch of other programming languages like C, C++, Go, Java, JavaScript, Python, R, Ruby, and many more. Among all of these, Python is the most popular, especially in the field of data science. So why are we choosing Python? Python is one of the most accessible programming languages available because its syntaxes are so simple and less complicated compared to others. This is almost like our natural language. Due to its ease of learning and usage, Python codes can be easily written and executed much faster than other programming languages. That's why this should be your first priority. So, let's start our Python journey. First of all, you will need a software or code editors to write your code. There are many code editors like PyCharm, PyDev, RigPython, Spyder, Jupyter, Sublime Text, Atom, and many more. You can also find many online IDEs where you can code directly online. For this lecture series, we will be using PyCharm software. So let's hop into our codes. This is our PyCharm editor. So what if we want to print something on our screen by Python language? We would simply write print, then enter our words like hello world, then if we run this code, the words hello world appears on our screen. It's because print is a Python function that writes what we tell it to show on the screen. You should know that functions are pieces of code that perform a unit of work that you would tell the computer to do. Remember, if you want to print texts, you have to put them in a quotation mark. If we don't give a quotation mark, what happens? Let's try again. What if we print this? It gives a syntax error. So we need to give quotation mark. Also, we can give a single quotation mark instead of double. But this is not needed in case of numbers or integer values. Like we can print 1000 even without quotation mark. Pretty easy, right? Printing something is quite easy in Python. So today you learned how to print something on Python. In our next videos, you will learn more basic functions of Python language. So stay tuned with us and please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel.